This is why you need to know the truth about your furry friend. Dog myths debunked in 60 seconds. First up, the classic A warm, dry nose means a sick dog. Not true. Dogs' noses can change temperature and moisture throughout the day. If your pup seems off, check for other symptoms. Next, dogs can predict earthquakes. Well, kinda. Some studies suggest dogs might sense early tremors, but don't bet your life on it. And finally, the spooky dogs howl at the moon. Sorry, werewolf fans, but it's more about communication with other dogs than the moon itself, so next time someone tells you these tall tales, you'll know the real scoop. Keep loving and learning about your furry friends. Happy pet parenting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more doggy details.